Hi everyone, so for today's video I wanted to record myself bleaching my jeans. I'm going to be bleaching these from American Eagle. I'm also going to be bleaching these Levi's. I got them like 5 years ago and I've used them a lot, but I think they will look better lighter. And hopefully I don't fail at this and I don't mess them up. But we'll see. After I'm done bleaching them and everything, I'm gonna try them on and do a before and after on how they look on me. So the bleach I'm gonna be using is this one. It's the regular Clorox, and I have tinas here filled with water and this thing so I don't get bleach on the carpet and ruin it. And I forgot to buy gloves, so I'm just gonna be using this bag to push them in there. So I'm putting 2 cups of bleach on this one for the dark jeans. And I'm gonna put just 1 cup for this one because I just want the dark spots to be removed. So it's been a couple hours later and I ended up dumping both of the other tinas into this big bucket, and they're getting really light, so I think I'm just gonna dump the water into the shower drain and then wash them by hand and then let them dry. So that's everything for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, please hit the like button and please subscribe for more videos from me. I will be posting more often, hopefully. I'll try.